Alright, I'm down here today. I'm getting ready to put in these 2 packaged bees I got in the mail. These are some pretty mean bees right here, but I'm getting ready to put them in a beehive. I ordered them off the internet from Man Lake, and I just want to make a video, show everybody how you take a new package of bees and put them in a beehive. It's kind of interesting. So let's go over here. Here's the box that I'm going to put them in, and it's new. The box is new, the frames are old. But I also got a big jar of sugar water in here to help get them started, because they need a little bit of help when you first put them in, because it takes them a while to start a whole new bee colony. Let's see if I can set this down right here. Find a good place to put this so everybody can watch it, because it's kind of interesting. Let's see. Well, there just ain't no easy way of doing it. There you go. I think that'll work. Alright, so let's get to it. This is the first package we're going to put in here. And it's got the queen in there with it. So what I got right here is a spray bottle of sugar water. It's best to spray them real good here. Kind of settle them down. Keeps them kind of a little bit calmer. Let's give them a good soaking. There's probably about 10,000 bees in this box. Let's take the top of it off. And we got to get the queen out first. Alright. Alright, so there's the queen right there. Let's check and see if she's alive. She's alive, but there's 2 dead bees in there. I don't like that. But the queen's alive. So you got to take out this little plug right here in the end. Let me get another tool here and see if I can get that plug out. Okay, and when you take the queen out to put her in there, you got to take this little plug out of the bottom. And what's inside there is there's a sugar. It's sugar that's hardened, and what happens is over the next few days the bees will eat that sugar. When they get the sugar ate, then that'll let the queen bee come out. See, maybe you can see her. She's right down in there in the middle. She's kind of the long bee. That's the queen bee. Kind of hard to see, but she goes in here. You got to make sure you put her up so they can eat down. That way none of the dead bees will block the entrance. Get her down there in her place where she belongs. Right there. That looks pretty good. That way they can eat her way out. Now, after you do that, you got to get this can out. It's got food in it. That's what fed the bees along their trip. This is what they put the sugar water in to feed the bees when they're making their trip. Let's set that down right there. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to turn the bees over and put them all in there. And to get them to go in, you just got to tap them. That's a lot of bees. And they're mad. Probably about 10,000 bees swarming around me right now. Ain't nothing better than that, right? Alright, there's just a few left in there. And all you do with them, just set them down right here. They'll work their way in. There you go. They are set up. That's about it. There's the bees that we put in there. This is a whole new bee colony now. There's the queen. Got a little sugar plug in the hole. The bees, they eat through that sugar plug, and they'll let that queen bee come out here in a few days. They look pretty good, but that's it. I just want to show everybody how it's done. I got one more to go, and then about 5 more after that when they come in. So I ought to have a lot of honey this summer. Be plenty for everybody.